In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Printify account. Log into your Printify account and head over to the Wallet section. This is where all your financial transactions with Printify are managed. Within the Wallet section, find and click on the Payments tab to view your balance and transaction history. Look for the Withdrawals tab within the Payments section. Specify the amount of money you wish to withdraw. After entering the desired amount, click on the Confirm Withdrawal button to submit your request. Once you've requested the withdrawal, you'll see Pending Requests below the withdrawal form. This allows you to track the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawal requests typically take up to 2 business days to be processed by Printify. If your balance was topped up using a card, be aware that it might take up to 10 business days for the funds to appear. This process ensures that you can manage and access your earnings or topped up balance in Printify efficiently. Remember to keep an eye on processing times and plan your withdrawals accordingly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.